To everyone, welcome to Electrical Mind. So today topic is about the electrical machines transformer topic. So మనము ఇంతకుముందు ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో we had seen about the power systems T&D, transmission and distributions. So parallelly we will learn the power systems and machines. సో ప్యారలల్గా అది ఒక టాపిక్ ఇది ఒక టాపిక్ చూసుకుంటూ వెళ్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి ఏ సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ 50 kVA 1000 volts 100 volts 1000 by 100 volts 2 winding transformer is connected as an auto transformer as shown in the figure. The kVA rating of the auto transformer is, so they are asking about the kVA rating of a auto transformer. So this is the circuit diagram, this is the figure they have given. This is HV side, this is LV side, and this is the total voltage of LV plus HV. So LV is 100, HV is 1000. So 1000 plus 100, it is total voltage is 1100. So let's the given data. HV is equal to 1000 volts, LV is equal to 100 volts. So current in HV side, we have to calculate the current in the HV side. So what is the, so they given 50 kVA power rating. Power rating is 50 kVA. 50 kVA means 50 into 10 power 3 by HV side. It is HV side. So we have to 1000. So after calculation we will get the, so these two zeros will cancel. So we will get the 50 amperes. So current in LV side. So same power rating 50 kVA by 100. LV side 100. So we will get the 500 amperes. So in this circuit diagram, this is the HV side. So we will get the total voltage. LV plus HV is 500 plus 50, we will get 550 amperes. 550 amperes. So here it is 550 amperes. That means here 50 amperes, from here 500 amperes. Total 550 amperes. So therefore the direction of magnitude, so in this the direction of magnitude is always in the polarity they shown. So based on the polarity the magnitude and direction is shown. So therefore finally the kVA rating of the auto transformer is 100 into, so 100 into 550 we will get the 550 kVA. That means 550 100 means these two hundreds. So it is 550 kVA. Assuming an ideal transformer, the Thevenin's equivalent voltage and impedance as seen from the terminals X and Y for the circuit diagram in figure R. So they are asking voltage and impedance. So total turns ratio is N1 by N2 is equal to 1:2. So N1 is to N2 is equal to 1:2. So equivalent voltage and impedance. So what is the equivalent voltage is V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1. And for impedance, this is for voltage, this is for impedance. Impedance is denoted by Z. So Z2 by Z1 is equal to N2 by N1 whole square. So here cross multiplication, this V1 will go to this side. So what is the total value of the V2 is 2 by 1. N2 by N1 means 2 by 1. So V1 they given is sin omega t voltage. So sin omega t is the voltage. So V1 means sin omega t. So V2 is 2 sin omega t. So here impedance Z2 by Z1 is equal to N2 by N1 whole square. So cross multiplication, this Z1 will go to this side. So N2 by N1 means 2 by 1 whole square. That means 4 ohms is the impedance. So here the answer is 2 sin omega t 4 ohms. So that is the answer. So here next question, it is decided to measure parameters 230 by 115 volts 2 kVA 1 single phase transformer. The following wattmeters are available in laboratory. So W1, W2, W3 are the wattmeters. So what they are asking is OC and SC. After conducting the OC and SC, what is the suitable wattmeter that is suitable for OC and SC? So here in OC test, no load current I0 is very small, that is of 2 to 6% current rated. No load current I0 lags E by slightly 90 degrees. It lags the E by 90 degrees. So power factor is very low. So for wattmeter, for this OC test, wattmeter 2 is suitable for the OC. So what is the W2 rating is 250 volts 5 amperes low power factor. So in no load condition I0 lags E by slightly 90 degrees. So with this condition, so the power factor is very low. So in SC test, VSC need to be circulate short circuit voltage is needed to circuit in the full load current is very low, that is of 0.1 to 0.5% of full load current. So I0, so current is high, I0 is highly lagging, but it is very small as compared to the full load current. So as compared to full load current, no load current is very small, it is very highly lagging. So for this the suitable wattmeter is W3. So what is the W3 rating is W3 150 volts 10 amperes high power factor. So in OC test it is the low power factor, in SC test it is high power factor. So we will see the rest of the questions in the next video. So ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.